I'm just going to show you how I apply the black. You can see the black inside of that label part. I'm going to apply it during the sewing process, so you guys that can know the reason why when cutting a corporate shirt, they used to like split the back into two instead of sewing it like a normal senator. So I will show you guys the process, and I hope you guys enjoy it. With my facing, I'll be adding the label first. This is the right part. I'm adding my label first. Just too light. Just bring it back. Don't worry. This is Nigeria for you. So after stitching this one, then I'll be starting with the back panel. So I'll be joining this one to the back part. So I'll be taking the back part of the fabric. Remember, we cut the back into two. You can see this is what we're going to have. So now I will be joining it with this one. So make sure your front, this place is facing your machine like this. You're going to place this. Okay, sorry. First and foremost, I'm going to notch the center point. The center. I'm going to notch the center. I'm going to notch the center of this one as well. And I'm going to take the facing itself. This is the facing, the one we cut with. The one we use in cutting this one. I'm going to notch the center as well. So now you can place this. You can see this, the wrong side will be facing the right side of this one. You can see that. So the right side will be up, while you're going to place your right side over it again. So the right will be facing the right, the right will be facing the wrong here. So after that, I'm going to join them together. Just make sure they're in line correctly. I'll be stitching this because I wanted to get an accurate center point. That's why I mostly stitch from the center before I stitch the closing. You see that? This is what we have so far. So at the back, we're going to have this, and at the inside, we're going to have this. You can see. So here, I'm going to make a stitch here, but to do that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, and this joining here, I'm going to push it upward. So the stitch is going to reflect outside, not inside of the joining. So here you can see we have a stitch on this side, and from here to just insert the shoulder. Here I'm going to insert the shoulder. You can see this is what it's going to look like. Let me place your second. It's going to overlap each other. You can see. Just make sure it's overlap more than the stitch under it. It's as simple as that.